Eighteen the crack and say we a bema na se uwo bidia fa oba onu so wo bidi. We a bema na wo da ka mu afa oba onu so da ka mu. We a bema na se utimi fidi wo ho fa oba onu so timi fidi onu ankasa ne ho 24 hours in a day. Enkofa de soa. What you say enkofa de soa.
Hwe ewiase wo se wo ne nyansafo nante a uhu nyansa. Woni kwasiafo nante a wo ye kwasia. And one on the principle. Some person me ye or defo me ne adefo ne be nante. Me fa sabe omo to dame and nante. And aspa. What you say? Because how to become rich na principles. Now there be me say a woman makes a house a home. But before the woman can make a house a home no, say or you be a otimi show on one home. Ya wagana, ushi obana oje ne number na. The following people remember, can you send me credits? Wow. Credit in the crowd the man on flow. One flow the confirm from them be a sound no afro. Aside from you, oh baby, are you okay? No, some baby, be second one. Hello, hi, Xposed GH Patch from Bruce. We bring out we are crime story. Sometimes you need to give what wisdom to people. Sometimes you need to share experiences with people. Sometimes you need to what stir up their mind a bit. Oba be see video am ko hu ye na some o kan na say what say but it's true o say enfa oba o ntimi hwe ne ho wo ye be ma ehwe to na enfa oba o ntimi hwe ne ho enfa oba o ntimi nto credit enfa oba be ka se kwana kwata aduane ma me na mindi enfa oba o ka se kwana kwa emiti ma me sa ma no nyansa bi ani o mutiri anyam na me ka oba na e ka ya kwa video ni bra
18 the crack and say we ye be ma na se uwo bidia fa oba onu so wo bidi wo ye bema na wo da ka mu afa oba onu so da ka mu wo ye bema na se utimi fidi wo ho fa oba onu so timi fidi onu ankasa ne ho 24 hours in a day enkofa de soa what you say enkofa de soa onu ankasa no ontimi ento credit enwu ne phone so wo ye bema na se wankasa utimi yisika eyi wutia for ba onu ankasa ti mi yisika ye onu ankasa ti enkofa de soa kane tete no na na ye ka se eye mema se de so mbehwe ma dabi enye ye time yi da oba ni prove no ho kire wo se o deserve se obehwe no a na wahwe no for ba o ti mi feed no ho for ba o ti mi hwe no ho enkofa oba oya de soa oba o ntimi hwe no ho se o kofa oba na se o ntimi hwe no ho a she doesn't deserve to be in a relationship. Uncle back to ni papa fie. Na monko suma no. Onya nyini ye. Se obewo relationship mu. Aha. Oba no onyini ye. So wanyini a obehu se de ye hwe ye ho. Oba bia obekwa akofo ni bia na adwe ye ne se eye wo be ma na se de se obehwe no onyini. And she's not ready to be in a relationship. She should go back to her father's house. Oduru time wa onu abetimi ahwe no ho a na waba bontene ababe start relationship na waba dating world abe start dating enti no mema na nhye no nso so ko hia oba na so oba na dwene ye ne se eye wo be ma na wo ba be hwe no a sa oba no she is not matured enough to be in a relationship, not to talk about marriage. I'm repeating it again. Me say okofa oba, wakoshia oba, uno oba bi kasa. Na se oba na dwini nyina ye ne se, eye wo be ma na wo ba be hwe no a in 2024. Sa girl no, she is not matured enough to be in a relationship. She is not matured enough to be in a relationship. Not to talk about marriage.
So say enye Bruce the kai, or bar the kai. But you see something, mommy can be sure. Like minds think alike. And now great minds, they think alike. They think alike. Make us as a macho. Share a yes one. Sawuni nyansa phone nantia. Uhu nyansa. Woni kwasia phone nantia. Uye kwasia. And one on the principle. Some person me ye or defo amene adefo ne be nante. Me fa sabe omo to dame enante anaspa. What you say? Because how to become rich are your principles. Now there me say a woman makes a house a home. But before the woman can make a house a home, no, and you say, or you'll be a ultimation on one home. Yawagana, Ushi Obana, Ojena Mana, the following people, can you send me credits? Wow. Credit in the crowd, the man on flow. One flow, the coffee from the Punabi, a son or flow, or son from you, oh baby, are you okay? No, some baby, be second one. Well, yeah, and you be oh baby, and you bought oh you mean ya pizza bini way ya. Oh mommy pizza, oh papa pizza, oh papa pizza. Go and buy it. Go and buy it yourself. Go and buy the pizza yourself. What have you given me that I should give you something? Yes. Say mama number I said your kasa and you na wo baro dia mama sex. Ah. Na man who say your bomb sex cry more to about 3-4 times now your home back cry. Muna mo enjoy more. I'm telling you. Ben ma be on sex here no. When your baba sex we na oban ho about 3-4 times. Now we kwa home my. It is a sex now cause all the mommy there. I don't need it. You see, you do pempen so be a Bible na sem na ko say oba wo ye ben ma so de boafuo. Yanka say uyo bi ama behwa. Ghana for ma bebre ye nkofo a ye hwehwe mema no ma hweye be ma ban mi ana Kofi Bruce forget it wa yira kwan ye po ba wo nyansa ne ye dressing me for dressing kwa ye hwe nyansa ne ye to me de kwa den toilet nko a me po ba sabe me bobra obeka se baby ehefa no wadu jiwe na fa soso na kwa anim de bia ye mema ne tokas mama da ben na ma tok ebe toka mama eba da ben Ghana ni ba odi ni Kofi Anani mama bisa no is he rich? I am poor. Uti se ko we ti bo kwaso. Am I rich? I am poor. And then na won bisa me so say is your daughter too rich? I'll ask you, is your daughter rich? Or daughter no say abrabo enye bona, why is she not also rich? Abrabo enye bona and then onu so nya sika. And then mama isabe empatry aye the name say anti na aye mu bi ya tie we no. Kwasi asem kwa. Come check my wife out. Bako wachi. Oyo ba mi oyi. Itira mo aye no ai me ka kira wo. Wo wonyin ya ware wo. Eto na me fanya he. Enu na ma bebre nam ho a omo ye fa ya ware omo no. Omo nya marriage material. Omo ye sex objects. Ye diom keke. I'm telling you, that person will be a warrior, be a marriage material. And how do you become a marriage material? First of all, suakasa as a woman. I didn't say we a bema kokope oba me pacho onimka and wareno or no papa. Me dasi onimka and wareno. Listen, when I give you money, it's not my right to give you money. I'm showing you what love. Into me mouse car. The best you can say is a baby. Thank you. I every minute dead we are your papa catch up say thank you because mama was settle. Ya who be that mamu I to catch up say thank you. Oba we are there na nya o say I am sorry. E man bia no ya prepare do mo nim ka wo your basa ye nware ye yusu onti ase. Oba sabi de bia pese ye koto aduane wa bonten no sa ba ne nware no. Oba said sika da bank. Once sika da bank say baby na yenko we holiday. Won't call ya aduma na nya osika na fa call holiday ni bi. Ekofo sisi dan ya omo yes sky sweeper si. O ga dem say baby yen to asase ni bi nka ho. Yen call holiday. Is it your money? He? Ni a lady ni kan ye mani abre no. Oba onim sika pe no. Sabi o discord dwen ho. Ba ma yen sua nyansa. Oba bia onim sika pe no obi se sika rough man cause onim sika pe na onim se ne ya peska ya ka ba se sika no ya pa enye easy video ma shada pa na me ye mema brega for mema e 20 ade antimi ese betimi bema gina ha we onidi ye no kan scam oba owi anu akwata fie no di gari wa jimi say jimi pro max na wo kan wa da be no oba kan scam oda wo a wo hwam da be no oba akan scam oda sa de bo wo say de bi akan mo no so kan mi ma o kan mi ma o baby and I want to spoil you. I love that women. Of course, and I want to take you out. Ghana ni ba okay say take me out and say, oh, want to be that. Crasism. Unim say oba ti me de be ma pie. Kwa bo ti na go. Oba di be ma pie. It's allowed. No ba o si oba pepe no okuku ni family problems na no dia be si so. I me beje. Obi bukra ba okra list. I me rent fair, me we fair. O ma me. Fair bay. Me ne fa bia me ma. O ma jai. O partner baby. O ma jai sisterhood ni abramo. Se kwa the sisterhood na ba no. Papa sisterhood no. Yeah. Me ko ruby. What talk a che. Sisterhood for bi. O for my he. Se ma papa no. Ombonya adwuma ombonya sika. No no afa be ma ope. I don't know to me kunu because we need adumenti wa do kuna funsam jimie answer we need aduma ya do kuna no jani akwa say that but somebody has taken my husband go look for work we need aduma ko bia do kunu we chop money sa onye skada o si oba bi oba de money bi pe oba ko ware no wa for say mema say jimi they say be ma ko ware pa say no so ye to that now na you ti go na many Mama, let's be wise. A 12 hour kwesi ba bia. Obema bia wo di to ati bia kin Solomon obewu. A 12 no bia ni. Facts. Fa oba o nyansa. Fa oba se bi okase yemmo bra ni nko yanim. Enye oba de bia not sport ase. Enu ka na emetan no oba besi a otimi kwa sports. Obehwe na oba waware, ba wife for say me na for girls get ya kwa sports. Enim guasem say. No akwata. No rensa. Uni nyansa ntia. Kwana ko business women. Say going to lip or formulate business plan. When you kase oba no wadwen. Uni adwen ti awia ketekete wakwata sport. Say we bi. Be man so no akwafa no. Shape na o de yere. Shape anyansa ni mete say Jimmy for me Pro Max. Xposed is like me canon. Or wedding, party, engagement. So see streaming live. Yeah, by YouTube, Facebook, BBA. You can come. I want to see the other from. Call the numbers below. Bye bye.